Welcome to Taiji's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make miso-marinated chicken. Miso, people think of miso soup, but it can be used and are used in many other different kinds of cooking in Japan. And this is one of them. So, let's get started. Here I have the ingredients for miso-marinated chicken. I have here deboned chicken. If you want to see the video for deboning chicken, then you can look up my other video of teriyaki chicken. Then I have here for the marinade 2 cloves of garlic, ginger, brown sugar, soy sauce, miso, and sake. If you don't have sake, then you can just substitute with a little bit of water. So let's make the marinade. I'm going to first grate the garlic and ginger. And by the way, having garlic is optional. If you don't want to smell the next day, like if you have a date, you don't have to put in garlic, it's optional. But I like to put it in because it gives a little punch to the taste. 1, 2, and then ginger. Then I'm gonna put in here sake. And then I'm gonna put in also a little bit of sugar. 1, 2 tablespoons. And also soy sauce. And then the main ingredients of miso. I'm gonna put 1 and 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna give it a little mix. And then I'm gonna put in here the chicken meat. So I want to put the marinade all around. So 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna let it marinate for 3 to 5 hours or even overnight. So let's start cooking. Let's turn on the heat to medium. And this is a technique we use in Japan often, where we use a baking sheet like this on top of a frying pan so that whatever we cook on the pan doesn't stick. If you have a non-stick frying pan, then it's great, but this is also a great technique. And we're gonna put a little bit of oil here on the surface so that the heat will be efficiently transferred, and also just a tiny bit here, exactly for the same reason. Then wait. So this has been rested for a couple hours in the fridge now. So let's see if that's warm enough. And I'm just gonna put this. So 1, 2. You don't want to put too much miso on there because it's going to burn. And I'm frying now with the skin down so that the skin will get crispy. So after like 2-3 minutes, the miso is going to burn very easily, as you see. So you don't want to use too high heat. Just gonna cook a little bit more. And because it burns, it's good to use this baking sheet. And then I'm going to turn to the other side. Cook the other side, like so. So it's starting to smell really good, and let's see the other side. Ooh, it's a bit burnt, so I'm gonna turn it once again just to make this skin crispy, just for another 1 or 2 minutes. So this looks ready. I'm going to take this out from the pan. So, and you see that it's burnt, but the pan is not burnt at all. So I'm just gonna throw away this top sheet and the pan stays clean. So I'm just gonna cut this into pieces. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. So be careful. And then I'm going to put it on a plate. So, like so. Itadakimasu. Looks delicious. Oh, looks delicious. Oh, oh, this miso and sugar and crispiness. Oh, it's incredible. This also matches rice perfectly. Oh my god. The ginger is giving a little spice to it. You could put like a chili in there. Oh, it's also gonna be very good. This is incredible. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. I'm gonna put this lettuce a little bit together with lettuce. So I let this sit for like 3-4 hours in the fridge, but you can also let it sit for overnight if you want to have a little stronger taste to it. You can also use pork or beef or even fish. Just incredibly delicious. ごちそうさまでした。いやー、美味しかった。I hope it was informative for you. I hope you try it at home yourself and let me know how it goes. And we'll see you together.